everyone. I'm welcome back. Welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss ninth form lesson second, the sound of music. It has two parts about second part about Bismillah Khan and first part Evelyn Glenn. Part 1 and part 2 book exercise. Last time I already sent to you all the first lesson, the fun they had in the form of PDF exercise of this lesson. Today I am going to discuss. As usual, question first in your book. There is written, take the right answer. So, the शहनाई और पुंगी वोजा रीडेड टर्न नॉइस मेकर द पुंगी वोजा. आपके ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं जो ब्रैकेट में, दो में से एक पुंगी आएगा. सेकंड में आपका क्या रहेगा? सेकंड में आपका रहेगा अ बार्बर. थर्ड में आपका स्टूडेंट्स रहेगा प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियंस. फोर्थ में आपका रहेगा स्टूडेंट अली बुक्स और फिफ्थ में रहेगा अफगानिस्तान. तो ये दो से ऑप्शन है, उनमें से एक एक जो है करेक्ट है. सेकंड आ गया आपका. सेकंड में क्या रहेगा स्टूडेंट्स? बिस्मिल्लाह खान फीलिंग अबाउट पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और न्यूट्रल. किसके बारे में क्या जो बिस्मिल्लाह खान जी की फीलिंग है उसके बारे में है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टीचिंग चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक. सो हियर इट इज सेकंड पार्ट. फर्स्ट वन दैट इज पॉजिटिव एंड इन सेकंड द फिल्म वर नेगेटिव. थर्ड वन इन योर बुक माइग्रेटिंग टू द यूएसए नेगेटिव. Fourth one, playing at temples, positive. And that is fifth one, getting the Bharat Ratna, positive. And sixth one, the banks of the Ganga, positive. Seventh, leaving Banaras and Dimram, that's also negative. And now, the next part of this lesson related to Evelyn Glenn, thinking about language. So here it is. In the seminar, I have written the answers. And you have to take the help of your exercise book. I mean to say your reader book. So first here it comes. The school sports team hopes. You have to write what does it hope to do? It to win the trophy. And second, we all want to go to Goa during the holiday. And third one, they advise the hearing impaired child's mother to consult a specialist. And fourth one, the authorities permitted us to arrange wedding function of my sister in the public park. And fifth one, a musician decided to give a public performance for tsunami victims without charging any money. And now the second part, the home of royal palace, the home of royal people, palace, the state of being alone, solitude. A part which is absolutely necessary, indispensable. To do something not done before, invent. Without much effort, effortlessly. And last but not the least, quickly and in large quantities, thick. In first one, thick, and second one, fast. So this is all about the second part. And as usual, along with this, I am going to tell you about the third part also. Very sharply along with this, there is also the third part related to the Evelyn Glenning lesson second from 9. So here it is, your third part. You have to pick the right answer. So here it is, I am going to tell you about first one. Take the right answer. As usual, there are also given two choices. You have to write first. In first, you have to write leaves again. Leaves again. Second one, you have to write when a government bans something, stop. Stop. Third one, when something is considered auspicious, welcome it. Welcome it. Number 4, when we take to something, we find it interesting. 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 And fourth one, now the fifth one, when you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. Find it good and useful. Next one, sixth, when you replicate something, you do it. So here it is, the sixth part for the second time. For the second time will be the right option among both of these for the second time. And now the seventh part, here it is, when we come to terms with something, it is no longer upsetting. It is no longer upsetting. Upset. So today recently I have completed the second part, both parts, which is given in your book, lesson form 9, lesson 2, the sound of music. It has 2 parts. So here it is. I have written the both parts exercises. So you have to complete in your reader book, or as it is possible, if that is not possible in reader book, then you can write also in your field notebook also. Till then, thank you.